Namaste friends. Now let us see how to thicken our all natural products which are actually liquid in consistency to the consistency that we desire. So here we won't be using the gond katira, but instead we'll be using the special ingredients like xanthan gum and vegetable glycerin. So here specifically to thicken our natural dishwash cleaner which is liquid in consistency, we are using the ingredients like xanthan gum, vegetable glycerin, lemon essential oil and the soapnut bioenzyme which we have made with a difference using little bit of salt and lime peels as well. Xanthan gum is a polysaccharide produced by fermentation of simple sugars like glucose or sucrose by the bacterium Xanthomonas campestris, the same harmless microbe found on leafy vegetables. It is then purified, dried, and milled into a fine powder. So it is 100% chemical free, natural, and very gentle on our skin. So we can very safely use this to thicken our natural personal care and cleaning products. And the glycerin that we are using here is vegetable glycerin, which is made from coconut oil, and it can also be from palm oil or soy oil, and it is not synthetic or petroleum based. And glycerin is a humectant, meaning it attracts water from the air into the skin or any product, keeping things moist, preventing our skin from drying and cracking. So it is one of the very important ingredient to use in our all natural products where our skin comes in contact with these products. So here we are going to thicken the soapnut bioenzyme and I have taken 500 ml of this. And the other ingredients that we are going to use here are lemon essential oil, vegetable glycerin and xanthan gum. So first to the soapnut bioenzyme, we are adding 20 drops of the lemon essential oil, 10 ml of the vegetable glycerin which is 2% and 5 grams of the xanthan gum which is 1%. Next combine all these ingredients using the hand blender. Blend the mixture well till you find a completely smooth texture of the final product and make sure there are no lumps left out. Here is our beautiful final product which is thick in consistency. I have also checked its pH and it is around 6 to 6.5 which is ideal for any natural dishwash cleaner. It also cleans perfectly all kinds of metals or even the plastic, glass and steel. Here you can see a quick demo of how the product cleans and it excellently cleans all the greasy and stained surfaces. Similarly, we can thicken our hand wash or body wash soaps and also our hair shampoos. I have just used another extra ingredient here which is cocoa glucoside. Cocoa glucoside is an excellent natural plant derived surfactant which is eco friendly and used in personal care formulations. It is made by combining coconut oil and fruit sugars like glucose, hence the name cocoa glucoside. And it has a mild cleansing and good foaming properties, which is great for all our personal care products. It combines very well with the glycerin, essential oils, xanthan gum that we use. I have used 6% of this cocoa glucoside to 500 ml of our product. That is around 30 ml of the cocoa glucoside used. I have also checked the pH of our final product, which is around 5.5, which is ideal for any body wash or hair wash products. So, these are some of the safe and better ways to thicken our products and make our natural products feel more comfortable while using them. So, please try adding these natural thickeners to our natural products, which brings us more satisfaction while cleaning. Let us all join hands together to protect ourselves and our planet. Thank you all so much.